Hi, my name is Ashwini Kumar and welcome to my channel. So before going into the main content of the video, here one announcement to the NTA UGC NET exam aspirants, and if you are not belonging to this category, then you may skip this announcement. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, then the free live classes are providing in the Unacademy platform. So the candidates who belongs to these subjects, the commerce, computer science, education, history, English, Hindi, geography, economics, labor, welfare, psychology, home science, environmental science, electronic science, philosophy, public administration, law, management, political science, and sociology. And including this one, the general paper, that is teaching and research aptitude. So the candidates who belongs to these subjects, you are going to get the free live classes in the Unacademy platform. So to avail this one, you have to install the Unacademy learning app that I am providing the link in the description box of this video. And also along with that link, I am providing my WhatsApp number in the description box of this video and the subscription also. So here the free classes and the paid classes, both these two are provided by the Unacademy. So the free classes you can able to access freely, provided by the educator regarding to particular subject. And if you want to take the plus course, the plus course means the complete syllabus of your subject is going to be covered clearly with live classes, and your doubts will be cleared in the doubt clarifying session. And here these are the different subscription plans are provided for the plus classes: 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and the 24 months. So out of these plans, you may take any one of the plan based upon your requirement. And if you are using this code Ashwini K, then you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. And now, while coming to the present content of the video, it is official public notice released by the University Grants Commissions on 11th August 2020, and this notice is regarding the non-retention of certificates of teachers by higher educational institutions. So that means nowadays there's so many institutions are retaining the original certificates of the lecturers or the teachers even though they resign the job. So regarding this one, the UGC is very serious about that issue. So this notice is regarding that issue. So we will see about the body of this notice. So it has come to the notice of the University Grants Commissions that many of the universities or colleges or institutions collecting the original academic certificates, mark sheets, etc. at the time of issuing employment contracts to the teachers and then continue to retain those documents with them. So the teachers face tough time recovering their certificates from their employer educational institutions when they leave their job. So many have to forego their better prospects as they are not able to recover their documents in time. So due to this retaining of the original certificates by the higher education institutions, it is a very tough time to the lecturers or the teachers who left their job and who are looking for the very good opportunity in some other institutions or organizations. So if they got some opportunity to attend the interview or the walk-ins in any other universities or the institutions, so at that time the present working institutions are not providing the certificates to them. So really it is a very big difficult time and a tough situation to the teachers or the lecturers. So regarding this point, the UGC is taking a serious view on these matters, hereby notifies that no employing higher education institutions shall keep in their possession any teacher's academic certificates or documents in original, which is akin to depriving them of their rights. And further, every higher education institutions are mandatorily required to issue employment contracts clearly specifying all the terms and conditions in accordance with the stipulated norms of the UGC and other statutory bodies concerned. So all the institutions are required to strictly comply the above. So it is a notice. So if you are the person really facing such type of situations from your current working institutions, then you may show this video or you may show this notice by the official or notice of the University Grants Commissions. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who wants this information, and for more notifications please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Thank you.